Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we are going to be looking at Sweet Sparkle. This is a monthly subscription. It is a US subscription. It costs £24.50 in dollars and £18.96 in sterling. That does include all your shipping and taxes and everything. So it's not really bad value, and I quite like the box. It's very heavy makeup inside, so if you're into your makeup subscription boxes, this is worth looking at. And I will link up there my other videos for Sweet Sparkle, so you get a taste of what you do get for your money. So you normally would get 5 products, and I think they're branded products, but I'm not 100% sure. And they are fully sized products, I think. I'm pretty sure they are fully sized products as well. So let's have a look inside. So they are the products there. So let's have a look at the first one. So I can see here we have a starter primer. This is a pore primer to help make skin smooth, as in Photoshop. So nice box there. Does look like it's possibly a Korean brand. I don't know what it is, what brand it is. It literally doesn't say. I can't read Korean, unfortunately. Okay, so it comes in a 30ml tube. The writing on the back is all Korean. It's a very strong, like, perfume smell to it. Yeah. So it comes out kind of like a beigey, creamy colour. Rubs in beautifully. It's very perfumey though. I wouldn't actually put this on my face. I'm a bit with stuff that's too perfumey. I don't feel like it probably does your skin really any good. It does rub in beautifully soft. No stickiness, and I'm inclined to think this could be silicone based. The smell is lovely. I'm not happy with putting it on my face. So that's the first item. I'm not too impressed with that one. Okay. Then we have this. So this is Vanity Goddess. It's a pigment eyeshadow, and it is in the colour shade, I can't see. It says use a wet flat brush to pick up pigment for a more intense colour payoff. Okay, let's have a look in the box. Oh, the colour is Flushing Queen, by the way. I'll put something into this. Oh, the colour's stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful colour. There's a little lid. So I'm going to be careful how I open this. Oh, it looks like a brand called J.Cats. Never heard of that. I don't know if I'm right in saying that. Ooh. It's gorgeous. This is not something that I will use either, unfortunately, although it is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Beautiful colour. We then have a shimmer eyeshadow. This is by Blinkle. The colour is Smoked Tiger Eye, and its packaging is quite cute. And it is like a silver. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That's beautiful. Very pigmented. Absolutely stunning. I like that. Very nice. Okay, look forward to trying that. Right, and then next we have, this looks like kaolin, and this is a Gelux eyebrow in the colour Nutmeg. So I feel like to get eyebrow gel is a risk, because pretty sure I didn't have to fill out a profile, so I'm not sure how they're going to get colours correct, and this is way too light for me. This looks like a takeoff, I think it's by L'Oreal. And this part here has got the brush. It's exactly the same. And then you undo this here and it's squeaky. The product is inside. This is way too light for me. Just gonna try a little bit on my hand. The product picks up okay. But yeah, that's way too light. You can see that, guys. So, apart from the squeakiness when you're doing it up, that's a shame because I will not be using that, unfortunately. And last product is a matte. This is a flat velvet lipstick. This is by LA Girl and it is in the colour I don't know. Would that be the colour? Flat velvet could be the colour. I'm not sure. Oh, I like that. It's a pretty. Oh, yeah, I do like that. It's a pretty light rosy colour, maybe with a hint of coral behind it. It's pretty. Oh, it's nice. I like that. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Yeah, that's something I will definitely be wearing. Right, okay, so these are my two favourite products that I will get some use out of. Unfortunately, these three I will not. So if anybody would like to receive these 3 items free of charge from me, and you don't mind the fact that I've obviously just tested them, you've seen how much I've used it, then please just comment the word I want. Now, if you have a YouTube channel that you have already unboxed and you have these items, then, you know, please don't ask for them, because I want to give them to people that don't already own these, that would like them, just to make it a little bit fair. Okay, so if you want them, just shout out in the comments, first person I want, and I will send them out as soon as the restrictions are lifted. If you haven't already seen my video on the Jeffree Star mirror giveaway for April, pictures here, then I'll leave the link down below in the description. Please enter, and fingers crossed. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and you're taking care of yourselves, keeping busy. Yeah, I'm going to post a few videos, so if you're bored, have a look at them. Don't forget, check out my other Sweet Sparkle videos as well. You'll just see what the boxes have contained. This is probably my least favourite box so far. Right, I'm rambling. Take care. Bye for now. Bye. Mwah.